Soon after, all public commercial vehicles decided to stay off-road for 2 days in protest against the new hit-and-run law. Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh said that the movement of tourists have been affected not only in Meghalaya but throughout the country. He also said that the instances of harsh driving has increased and hence he feels that the rule of the land must prevail.
From the entire nation, and of course we have seen a rise in, as we speak, this is a protest that has been organized across the country. So in fact the movement of tourists is repeated across India. Therefore it's not something that Meghalaya on its own, especially being a landlocked state, we cannot take measures of our own. It has to be in tandem with what the rest of the country is doing.